one of the things I've noticed, or at least came to my mind, was that at least in terms of 3D printing, uh, well, with the KP3S and the auto kind of bed leveling, sometimes the bed level really screws with the print. Sometimes it just makes the sound and click. It's not too bad, but other times it physically displaces the print from the bed. That's what you don't want. And it happens at sometimes. I'm not really sure how, but I think when you have very irregular geometry, or you have very kind of very up down left right geometry, it can be a bit of a pain. So yeah, that's why printing up or printing lengthwise vertically, so that more of the length is vertical as you print, that allows the kind of the print head to not conflict with the print as much. I think there's also some other points as well, but I think that was a really key one. But yeah, anyway, around here a lot of people are looking around, so